Ayun. Good morning. Dali ang balay ni Ma'am Adoracion Aliman? What? Siya ma'am. Ikaw, Nay? Ma'am Adoracion Aliman.
Yes.
Bali, na kay kaming duha ka box nga from LBC, ma'am? Opo, from LBC, yes.
Canada?
Yes yata. Hindi ko alam kung anong address galing, pero...
Naman address niyo. I cannot remember.
Galing ha?
Pero na kay kaming gi-expect nga 2 boxes.
Daang. Address mo to yata sa iyo. Pero ba kung padalaan din?
Hindi pa dala dari. So, naa na ma'am. Nabot na.
Sana all! Wala?
Opo.
Oh no, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good news.
Opo. Okay ra, can I invite you ma'am dari?
Suluhin mo yan!
Pwede ra na.
Tara, bali sit.
Para makuha na to ang duha ka box
Ha?
na order, yes.
Hindi totoo yan.
Opo. So, nag-expect jud ka nga manay maabot today, wala?
Nag-expect 2 weeks from now.
Paano masabi?
2 weeks from now pa. So,
Kay di follow up sa akong grandson na aman from Korea.
alright. So, at least this time, advance day. Oh.
Ano ba kay pangalan?
Opo, nakapangalan sa Yamang God. Adoracion R. Aliman. Opo. Aliman.
Sige.
Ayan.
Very good.
Matanaw sila. Sabayan niyo si nanay.
Tala, mauban na ta sa padalas package. Export na dahil mo ito ma.
Apa ba ito?
Always going somewhere. Kamaranda ko. Dako nga boxes.
Nataon lang nato.
Ay, you do not know how big.
Gusto ko ikaw mo abri ma'am kay para makita din mo ang unsa kada mga.
Bola lang yan.
Ali ma'am. Sige ma'am, can you open this? Ay, sorry. Sorry. Naipit ka ma'am? Ay, I'm sorry.
Bad.
Dili ma'am sa ano imong tama. Ayan. Ayan.
birthday to you. Dali ka lapit, ma'am. Dali. to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, happy birthday, Mom. Welcome always. So anyway, dili na yung 2 boxes na from LBC. It's a surprise for you, Ma. Happy na ka? Gagustuhan niyo po? Wow, that is all for you. Para sa iwan na tanan, Ma'am. Opo. Sa inyo na tanan. Sa imo,
Thank you for my daughter.
malalaman natin unya og hanigikan. May baon na to. Surprise pa rin, Ma'am, kung kanino galing. Alright?
Asa manigikan?
We are from Pagadian City. Opo, yes. Bali, naalay special person na gusto ka tagaan o gingunani nga surprise. Okay? Are you excited? May bawaan kinsa ni? Kuha sa imong shades, Ma'am, para makita ang kagwapa. Wow, beautiful kit yan. Are you happy, Ma'am? Are you happy?
Yes, I'm really happy. I'm excited. I do not know how to tell my feelings that my children are so thoughtful to me. I
Okay.
never expected anything from them. Because they're very far away.
Yes, Ma'am.
Millions of miles away.
You are so surprised this
Yes.
time. Wow.
Really, I'm so surprised.
Alright.
Okay, so good morning, Ma'am.
Morning, sir.
Yes po. So good morning, subs, sa tanang tao nga nadari karon. Nakasuulog sa ibang adlaw nga natawhan. So anyway, Nay, Ma'am, basin natin alakog kinsa mi. Magpaila-ila sa aday mi, no? We are from Everything Surprises, Pagadian City po. Nalang tayo sa ka-special person na gusto kang i-greet today of happy birthday! Palakpakan naman natin. Alright, Ma'am, sa yun nilang kaniya ka-special, yun kaniya ka-love. Gabisan to, wala siya dali, Ma'am, is gusto siya makiselebrate sa imuhang adlaw nga natawhan, alright? So bisan wala siya dali, Ma'am, is gusto lang niya ipabati sa imuha ug unsa kaniya ka-special, alright? Ug unsa po kaniya kapalangga. Okay, so this time, Ma'am, na siya i-prepare ani nga band set up. Ganahan na ka, Ma'am?
Okay na.
Na-surprise ra ka? Na-surprise ra?
Surprise gitu pag-ayo. First time in my life na a surprise like this happened in my life.
Wow, palakpakan naman natin. First time experience ni Ma'am. Grabe ka memorable na, Ma'am. And then we are so thankful and grateful then. So even sa first time ni mo na experience nga surprise is kami pa ginagaton, no? From Everything Surprises. So we are so happy. So this time, Ma'am, dili na nato langay-langayon, dili nato dugay-dugayon. Na siya yung mga special gift na gusto ipabot sa inyo. Ako ang hinahinayag hatag. Okay, Ma'am? Excited na ka, Ma'am?
Excited!
Yes! Very excited si Ma'am, okay?
Ang ganda yung company.
Everything Surprises po. Siyempre, birthday ni mo today, Ma'am, na siya ipadala sa imuha na 1 dozen bouquet of roses! Happy birthday! That's for you, Ma'am! Wow! Nagustuhan ni mo, Ma'am?
Oh, yes!
Okay ra, kuha na lang siguro yung eyeglasses mo para makita yung beauty. Okay, sige. Ipaano lang natin. Take care lang muna. Ayan. Okay ra ka, Ma'am? Okay ra wala yung eyeglass? Okay. Happy birthday once again. Dili lang kay kani mga surprise. Ang gusto nila ipabot for you, Ma'am? Siyempre, birthday ni mo today, Ma'am. Inani sila kasi for you. Dala lang po. Nasa lagi padala sa mga kakanin sabi lang, oh, happy birthday! That's for you po. Okay, na rin na lang siguro muna, Ma'am, na. Ayan. Siyempre, birthday ni mo today. Nasa sila lagi padala sa mga na Alberto's Pizza! Yay! That's for you po. Ayan. Yes po, Ma'am. Siyempre, kay birthday ni mo today, Ma'am. Nasab sila kay padala sa imuha nga 3 pieces o gislechon manok. Wow! 3 pieces! Welcome always, Ma'am. Ayan, may bawaan na to ni Karot Kinsay gahatag niya, okay? Siyempre, kay birthday ni mo today, since natin mga pagkaon, nasab sila kay padala sa imuha, Ma'am, nga pampahilis naman, soft drinks po. Happy birthday! Yan. 3 pieces po yan. 3 pieces. Dari na lang ako ibot ang Ma'am, ha? Okay, so later, ito ani. Hatan. Siyempre, kay birthday ni mo today, every occasion, every celebration, ma'am. Dili gini siya mawala. Nasab siya gipadala sa imo ang red ribbon cake. Happy birthday! Welcome, Alisa. Happy kay si ma'am. Dari na lang ako ibutang sa ama. Opo. Dala lang muna. Alright, so this time, nabigay ko na lahat ng mga surprise gift na gusto ipabot sa inyo, ma'am. Happy na ka, ma'am?
Yes, really.
Very happy si ma'am.
Absolutely happy.
Yeah, absolutely happy. We really feel it din, ma'am, no? Okay, so this time, diri na ito may bawaan karon og kisay gahatag ani nga surprise. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm
Ayan, na siya special letter. Gusto nimo basahan lang nako, okay ra?
Sige, basahan
Sige,
na.
basahan lang nako, ma'am, ha? Paminawa lang ang iyahang mensahe para sa imo, ha? Okay, this is it. Alright. Oh.
Excited kayo ko?
My ever dearest mama. Happy 85th birthday to our small but terrible mother in the universe. Na-surprise ka man, oh.
Of course, I do. I'm surprised.
Yeah. I pray that our Almighty God will give you more birthdays to celebrate ahead. Best of health and happiness always. Gusto jud unta namo nga naa ni diha karon ani nga okasyon to celebrate another milestone. Pero tungod sa panahon karon nga lisod pa mag-uli-uli basin tuhon-tuhon.
I do hope so.
Ah.
I pray.
Opo. Kabalo ko nga nagproblema ka mag-unsa ka sa imong birthday tungod kay dili pa man pwede mag-party-party.
Lagkit. Tinuod, John.
Opo. Og hinaot pinaagi ani nga sorpresa namo malipay ra ka bisan ka mura diha.
Yes, I'm so happy.
Once again, happy birthday, Mama! Amping kanunay sa self, just stay at home and watch TV. I love you and I miss you so much. Nagmamahal na si Ma'am daughter na si Ma'am Carol. Palakpakan naman natin! Yan! Si Ma'am Carol is from Canada, tama ko ba?
My eldest daughter in Canada.
Yeah. So, ma'am, inani lang dito ka special, inani lang dito ka niya kalab mo. Nga bisan tuod wala siya diri, ma'am, is gusto lang gyud niya ipa-feel sa imuha na wala gyud siya nakalimot sa imuha o ipa-feel gyud niya nga grabe ka ka-special sa iyaha. Gibuhat niya ni ma'am nga para ang imuhang birthday is mahimong memorable gyud, no? Nga samtang naa pa ka diri is mapa-feel nila nga love kay kanila. Okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
Apo. So this time, ma'am, kabalo naman tagkin sa gahatag ani nga surprise. Mangayo lang ko unsa imong ikasulti sa iyahang pa-surprise today. Unsa pod imong response para sa iyang letter nga gisulat for you. Okay? Dali lang po. Naglantaw imong daughter, ma'am. Dali lang.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, visitors. I'm so happy, terribly happy. I do not know how to describe my feelings today. I never expected that this will happen to me. In all my life, I never experienced having this happiness like this. So, first of all, I am thankful to God for the life He has given me at the age of 85. And after all the sacrifices in life, all the hardships, and all I do not know what I cannot describe the remarkable happenings that came into my life until today. I'm so happy that you have come here to celebrate with me my birthday, and I'm so thankful to Caroline Lee, my eldest daughter, who is living with her son, my grandson, in Vancouver, Canada. She is a nurse in Vancouver, Canada, and she has gone home about 5 years ago. I do not know, basta. And I was not sure which of my 3 daughters have sent me this beautiful gift this morning. It is pala my eldest daughter, Caroline. And her son, who is living with her in Canada, who works there also. I was expecting them to be coming here, but they cannot do so because of the pandemic. Once again, I thank you very, very much to the bottom of my heart, and I hope there will be many more birthdays to come in my life. And thank you so much, and praise the Lord for this day that has come into my life. Praise the Lord. And God bless you all, ladies and gentlemen of the group.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Ayan, we are so thankful also and grateful, ma'am, for having this na para makaselebrate po sa imong birthday today. Ano? So, mapasalamatan kayo sa imong anak sab nga kami iyahang gipili nga para mag-surprise, maghatag og surprise sa imong kay para maka-witness me ug unsa pud ka ka-happy today, no? Sabi pa nimo, ma'am, is remarkable experience.
Yes, very. What you ko ka-expect sa gamay?
Yes, ma'am.
Mawa ka ka-expect og lechon karong adlaw. Wala gyud dai kay magkuan ako magpa-GSK nang ko kay pandemic man ron.
So at least, ma'am, no, sa aning nga paagi is na-surprise you ka. So once again, happy birthday! Palakpakan natin ulit! Very welcome, ma'am. So this time, your sister-in-law, Nadari. Okay ra, ma'am, mga ko unsa imong birthday wishes? Nga po, unsa imong birthday wish para sa imong sister-in-law? Dali lang. Sige po. Sige, dali. Tapari si ma'am. Alright. Okay, so nag-celebrate sa ika-85th birthday imong sister-in-law.
My sister-in-law is a retired teacher also.
A retired teacher.
She lives in Pagadian.
Opo. Yes. So this time, ma'am, unsa imong ika-birthday wish para sa imong sister-in-law, and then unsa pud imong ikasulti sa gahatag ani nga surprise, which is ang daughter ni ma'am nga naa sa Canada, eldest daughter nga si Ma'am Caroline. Sige po, dali lang.
May
Buta sa tanan.
Okay na.
Okay na, ma'am.
May muta sa tanan o dako salamat nga remote ka sa pagkahitabo karon na sa iyang pag-birthday. O taga panalangin o mga gasa sa Dios. O malipayon siya sa dugang tuig lang gabay ng dugang para malipay siya sa iyang pag-birthday. Dako po salamat sa akong sayang anak nga kuan naghahatag og kalipay og surprise na wala siya mahitabo og maingon ini. Dako po salamat sa Ginoo po.
Wow, palakpakan naman natin siya.
Oy, excuse me, I failed to introduce my opinions here in the house. My sister-in-law, Mrs. Itihinia Villanueva, a retired teacher who lives in Pagadian City. Her granddaughter, Kay Villamor Piñaflor, a student in Medina College, and the girlfriend of my apo in Canada, si Fritzy Hazel Canoy. She's living here, and my kasambahay, Grisel Labor, and my grandchildren, Yus Fernandez, Eliza Fernandez, and I think that's all. And we are alone here in the house.
Yes, ma'am.
My guests have not yet arrived. They will be arriving here 1 o'clock for our ginagmayng Kristohanong Katilingban. Prayer. We love a prayer.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and thank you very much to God for this blessing that He has given to me today, and I hope this will happen in the years to come. Oh, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much also for your for introducing, no, sa mga companion ni Madali. So we are so thankful. So this time, napapay mo hatag og birthday wish kani mga sige na mo. Sige sige. Ako hawit ba? Sige na. Ay ikaw lang.
She's a medtech student.
Bintik na siya.
Medtech student.
Trabaho na sa kasintek ka, pagkadiyan.
Okay.
Oh, trabaho.
Ay nanay ka ng happy birthday.
Thank you.
More blessings to come and more
Watching, guys.
mutaas pag yun mo ang buhay dali sa kalibutan na mas kanang ma-update pati ka sa ma-update ako mga dreams na ko na makita pati ka.
I hope so.
Richie.
Giselle na po.
Ayan, thank you so much.
Richie muna.
Alright, daghang kayo salamat sa imong birthday wish para sa ato ang celebrant. Okay, dito ka mama, taparin sila. Okay, so girlfriend sa grandson. So sa man imong birthday wish kay nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Yes, thank you.
I wish na more and more blessings to come, good health, stay healthy, and ayaw dyan pabayaan sa yourself. Kaya that's the best gift na may hatag sa imong daughters. And you have to be healthy always. And also, may God bless you always. We love you so much. We're always here for you.
Thank you.
Any hug, ma'am. Any hug. Wow. Thank you so much.
Sige na po, ma'am. Sige nga, sige. No worries, sige na po. Kasi, lucky ka ni ma'am. Sige na po.
I'm so happy to
Oo. Malipay siya nga makadamog sa imong birthday wishes. Sige na. Even small word, dali lang. Kung sa imong birthday wish, para kay ma'am. Sige na, para si ma'am.
Hello. Ma'am, happy birthday. Hinaot nga. Dagang pang tuig maabot sa imuha. O hinaot nga, happy ka sa imong birthday karon. Nga na-surprise ka.
Thank you so much.
Sige, hug mo naman. Thank you so much.
Alright, dagang kayong salamat, ma'am. So, thank you so much for all your birthday wishes.
Let me up. They can speak already. Come here.
Sige na.
Dali.
Hold lang. Pastoryahan ka ni nanay.
Kasi na ko na ito na.
Sige, istorya.
Sige na, happy birthday na.
Happy birthday na. Yun na, sige.
Anak, ato bang?
Sige, sige.
Sige na ito bang.
Sige, anak. Happy birthday, Lola.
Sabihin na lang, happy birthday, Lola.
Gisapot na lang.
Wow! Kiss mo naman si Lola. Kiss mo si Lola.
Kiss Lola.
Kiss mo si Lola. Ang sweet naman.
Plong-plong.
Alright, thank you so much, baby girl.
Nawala mas pumplong.
Nawala man. Okay, sige lang. It's okay. Anyway, thank you so much sa tanang naghatag og birthday wishes para sa atong birthday celebrant na si Ma'am Adoracion, no? Nag-celebrate sa iyang 85th birthday. Okay, so this time, ma'am, dili lang kay ka na nag-end atong surprise, okay? A lot of surprises na may gi-prepare nga song. Favorite song daw ni Nimo. Ano kaya yan? Guess, unsa nga song? Unsa ka ni ma'am? Hindi natin alam kung mo ba gi-prepare. Basig mali sila, no? Sabi ma'am, magbali. Alright, this is it. Paminawala ang music, ma'am. Okay, ra? Sige.
Kanta, kanta.
Now that I know the comfort of no other love.
That's your favorite song.
The sweet contentment that I find with you every time, know this would once more, for I was born to glory in your face, forever yours. I was blessed with love to love you, till the stars burn out above you, till the moon is but a silver shade. silver shade. No other love, there's no other love. No the one to love yourself.
Palakpakan naman natin. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so
love.
much for that nice song, my favorite song.
You're very welcome, ma'am. So, daghang kayong sa partner sa mga manindot na song. Ganahan na ka, ma'am.
Ganahan kay ko.
It's your favorite song daw.
Oh,
Opo. So, muna ilahang i-prepare good para sa imo ha. Kay para mag-feel good nila nimo nga special jud ka sa ilahagi. Ang damon pa jud ko favorite song diaranahan pa jud ka. Okay, ma'am na? Yes, pa.
It is always happening eh. Sige naman eh.
Yes, it's possible, ma'am.
Sige naman eh.
Yes po. Yan, hi sir.
May agaw, duming hati ko.
Hello po.
My neighbor also.
Apo, dari tikas.
Plus neighbor.
Okay. Okay, so happy birthday once again, ma'am. Alright, so hindi lang dito nagtatapos yung surprise natin. This time, kinaki-cake sa itong abrihan ng cake din. Kantahan ka na mo happy birthday, okay? Wow. Sige po. Ay, ano yun, sir? Sir? Basig na kayo ka-birthday wish atong celebrant. Dari lang. Birthday wish, sir. Basig na kayo birthday wish.
Happy birthday, Gaw! Inaw ka unta nga mo abot pa ka og usa ka libo ka tuig.
That's impossible. Thank you so much.
Oh, impossible, my God.
Okay na, sir? Ayan, thank you so much. So, nakabutang sa donkey. Happy 85th birthday, Mama! We love you! Palakpakan naman natin! Happy birthday! Kantahan ka mo, ma'am! Clap! Dance and clap! Ready? Ito na! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Gusto, malakas! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ready? One more! Happy birthday to you! Hey! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, so ma'am, happy birthday once again! Okay ma'am, this time, unsa man imong birthday wish para sa imong birthday celebration today?
Ako, my birthday wish, I am wishing that I will maintain my good health, my physical health as well as mental health, and that my children will continue to love me and care for me until I reach the old age of 100.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin! Yes ma'am! We declare it! Blow the candle, ma?
Sige ah.
Apa? Yay! Happy birthday! Ready? Kantahan natin ulit! Clap your hands, everybody! Ready? One more! Happy birthday to you! Next one! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, so happy birthday once again, ma'am. Ayun ako pang hawak eh. Gusto ko participate ko tanan, ma'am. Nami dance challenge. Okay, ma'am? Manayaw ka, kadyat lang kayo. Sige, sure. Okay, music please. Ready? Kumalo ka ni ma'am. Kumalo ka tayo ni. Dance, everybody dance. Okay, ready? Dara na. Ready? Ready lang. Go. Dance lang. Sige pa. Hey. Go, ma'am. Enjoy your day today na. Sige pa, one more. Ready. Go. Wala mo tayo. Go, ma'am. Bayan. Go. Go, ma'am. Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin. Thank you so much. Dito na rin ko. Lingkod. Alright, dagang kayong salamat sa inyo ang pag-participate, tanan.
Salamat po din.
Wow, grabe.
Grabe yun.
May manday ni Manayo ning diri. Tanan. All of your companion, ma'am, grabe.
Grabe.
Amazed din ako eh.
Na-miss di ko yung nananin.
Alright.
Miss di ko.
Okay, so happy birthday once again, ma'am. Happy na ka, ma'am?
Happy. So happy.
So happy. Okay, this time, okay na mangitan ako unsa imong gibati sa surprise nga gihatag sa imong daughter. Okay, this time. Gra lang.
First of all, because this is a surprise, I am really surprised. And I cannot say into words how to describe my feelings of this surprise that is given to me. So surprised and so happy. Definitely happy. I hope this will happen again in my life. And for the group, thank you so much to your company.
Everything surprises, ma'am.
Everything surprises. Thank you so much to your company and to you and your companions. Thank you so much. And may God bless you on your way. More power to you.
Wow.
What a great job.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You are also very welcome. No?
Yeah, you have a great job. You have done a great job to me
Yes, ma'am.
today.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Alright.
Okay, so daghang kayo salamat, ma'am, sa imong encouragement. So it's an inspirational, no, makamotivate sa mga na para mapadayon pagid mi nga daghan pagid mi i-surprise. Okay.
Tayo ni inyong group.
Welcome. Thank you so much, ma'am. So this time, we are so thankful and grateful din for choosing and trusting Everything Surprises dun sa client namin, which is your daughter, ma'am, na si Ma'am Caroline Lee ng Canada. Alright. So thank you so much, ma'am, for choosing and trusting Everything Surprises. And then, ma'am, in behalf of Everything Surprises, we have also birthday wishes para sa imo, ha?
So, Mr.
Ciao po.
Ciao. Ciao, ma'am. Ciao.
Chow, Mr. Chow.
Yes.
You are having a video?
Yes.
Oh, can we have a copy of that?
Yes, after this, ma'am, we were going to edit the video and then we'll send it to your daughter and then your daughter send it to you. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, ma'am, in behalf of Everything Surprises, yes. So, naami birthday wishes para sa imuha. Nasayad ko nga kanang imuhang wish nga maabot pa ka og more than 100 years. And I do believe na ihatag na sa Ginoo sa imuhang kinabuhi, ma'am. No? Wala imposible sa Dios kung ato ang pangayoan. Yes po. And then this time, as you celebrate 85th birthday, dalaygon kayong Ginoo nga nakabot pa at taani nga edad sa imuhang kinabuhi karon. And then, you are still gorgeous. Wow. You're still beautiful, ma'am, standing, no? Nga naadari karon. Dili halata sa imuhang nga 85 na ka. Mura pa ka 50. O, diba, ma'am? So, dili imposible nga possible, mabot pa ka more than 100 years. Kasi as a strong woman, nga nakalingkod na rin karon, nga nakasaulog sa imo 85th birthday. Makita kita mo nga, strong jud ka, ma'am na? So, thank you so much sa tanan nga nadari karon. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pag-participate. Daghang kayong salamat sa pagsaulog ninyo sa adlaw na tawhan ni ma'am. adorasyon. Okay, so tama po ba, ma?
Yes.
Okay, so once again, nagpuyot lang kayo tamang nga magbalinawon, magbalipayon, uban ang gugma sa inyong tibuok pamilya. Bisan po, nga layo imuhang mga anak, pati sa inyo nga pamagi, ipabati yun nila sa imuha, unsa kanila ka love, unsa kanila ka special, para mahimong remarkable, mahimong memorable, kini nga celebration karon, no? Kay naman tayo video, makita po din nila. Ug
Kaya makanan ako.
yes po, ma'am. Specifically. So, daghan kayong salamat once again. Happy birthday! So, happy 85th birthday! Greetings from Everything Surprises. Palakpakan naman natin. Okay, so okay naman. Bye-bye pa yung kita ka. Bye-bye. Wow!